Hey guys, what's up? How are you doing? How is everybody's week? I am so tired right now. I just rolled out of bed like 20 minutes ago, but that's okay. If you're wondering, I am still sleeping, but whatever. So this week is going to be kind of a fun video. Like, it's just going to be fun. There's not going to be a certain look. There's not going to be a certain like anything. It's literally just a fun video. So last week I had seen 3 different YouTubers that I watch post this video. And it just looked like, at first I was just kind of like, what the hell are they doing? Like, it was kind of confusing at first. Like, when I saw doing my makeup in alphabetical order, like, I was just like, what does that even mean? Like, how do you do your makeup in alphabetical order? But then I watched them and it was actually like, it was pretty funny. Like, made me want to try it out. So I'm going to try it out. So today we're going to do my makeup in alphabetical order. I'm going to read off to you the order that I would normally do my makeup in, which is primer, eyebrows, conceal eyebrows, foundation, concealer, set concealer, powder, bake under eyes, eyeshadow, liquid liner, top mascara, contour, bronzer, blush, bake under the contour and bronzer, setting spray, highlight, lashes, bottom mascara, lip liner, and lipstick. Which we'll just call that lips, because I can't find my favorite lip liner. Oops. So doing my makeup in alphabetical order, this is the order I'm going to do it in today. I'm going to bake, blush, bottom mascara, bronzer, conceal eyebrows, concealer, contour, eyebrows, eyeshadow, foundation, highlight, lashes, lips, liquid liner, powder, primer, set the concealer, setting spray, and top mascara. So my skin is probably going to hate me after this, but that's okay. I have to take it off right away anyways because I have to go to work. But let's do it. So going in alphabetical order, my very first step is going to be baking. What I'm baking, I don't know. I'm going to be baking the natural oils on my face. So yeah, we'll see. Let's do this. Let's bake. My face is gonna be so dry. It's gonna be so disgusting. I'm not gonna be able to put on makeup before work, that's for sure. Like, I'm just gonna have to take my makeup off, wash my face, and then go to work. I don't think I'm gonna want to put makeup on after this, honestly. And I don't know how long I'm supposed to let this stuff sit because I don't have anything on underneath of it. So there we go. We're baking. Okay, so after baking comes blush. So where's my blush? So we are going to go in with Betty on the Block, and I'm going to try to use my same products that I would use every day for the most part, so that I'm really not like cheating. So I'm going to go in with my Kylie Cosmetics blush in Betty on the Block. Oh my gosh. I look like a clown. Okay, and I always put some underneath my nose, so here we go. So now we are going to go in with bottom mascara. This is horrible. This is what I get for doing my makeup like in a weird order, the way I normally do it, because my bottom mascara is like literally one of the last things that I do. Like, what the hell? What did I get myself into, y'all? Oh, you guys, I also did order the Jeffree Star Blue Blood or Blue Blooded. I look ridiculous. I look like I'm crying. I did order the Jeffree Star Blue Blood or Blue Blooded. I'm drawing a blank on like which one it is. But I did order his palette. So I'm just waiting for that to come in the mail, and then I'm going to get a review up on that. I literally look like I'm crying right now. This is disgusting. So after bottom mascara, we are going to go in with bronzer. And I am going to use, where is it? My Kylie Cosmetics bronzer in Toasty. I'm literally making myself look like a clown for you guys willingly without Lee's help. All right, and then warming up the forehead like I do, and the neck like I do. This looks so bad. Look at this. Okay, so after bronzer, I'm going to conceal my eyebrows now. What I'm concealing, I don't freaking know. So we're just gonna go ahead and do it. I'm just not even gonna question it. I just can't question it. I'm just gonna do it. What the hell? You guys, I don't know what I'm gonna do when I have to like actually do my eyebrows, because I rely so much on concealer for my brows. Like, it's not even funny. Like, I actually really suck at doing my brows. It's the concealer that does all of the work for me. So I really like don't know what I'm gonna do here. So the next step in this fun stuff is contour. So now I'm going to go in with my Kylie Cosmetics bronzer in Almond. And I am just going to contour. And this is going to make me even more like a clown. Yay. So after the contour, now the fun part, I get to do my eyebrows. So can I use a tinted brow gel, or is that cheating? That's probably cheating. I told you guys that I am going to use the same products that I use on a daily basis. So I am going to use the same products that I use on a daily basis. So I'm going to go ahead and save you guys the boredom, and I'm going to do my brows off camera real quick, and then I will be right back. Okay guys, we are back. My eyebrows are done. They don't look as bad as I thought they were going to, but they still look pretty bad. Oh well, that's the fun and the challenge, right? So the next step after eyebrows is eyeshadow, and I am going to use the Nubian palette from Juvia's Place. So they don't have any names, so I'm going to take this shade right here, and I am just going to put that in the crease. Okay, I'm then going to take this darker shade right here, and I'm going to also put that in the crease and then on the outer corner as well. Okay, I'm then going to take this shade right here, and I'm going to put that all over the lid. That's so pretty. Okay, I'm then going to take a mix of the two shadows that we put in the crease, and I'm going to run that along the lower lash line. I just realized I still have all of this bake on, so I'm just gonna wipe off whatever bake we have left. Okay, so after eyeshadow, we now get to do foundation. So I'm going to take my Morphe Fluidity foundation in F1 110, and this is where my skin is really gonna hate me. So weird, this feels so weird. So after foundation, we have highlight is our next step. So I am going to take this Kylie Cosmetics highlight in Ice Me Out, and I'm just gonna highlight. Remember, no questions asked. But that does look really pretty on top of foundation, so. Okay, so the next step after highlight is lashes. So I'm just going to put on these Ardell 232s, and I'm going to do that off camera real quick, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so my lashes are on. The next, what is the next? Where am I? I lost my spot, hold on. So the next step is lips. And normally I would do lip liner and then lipstick. And that's also the alphabetical order. But I can't find my lip liner, so I'm just going to put on lipstick. Sorry. And I'm going to use Kylie Cosmetics Kissmas. Okay, so my lips might be looking a little rough, but that's because, like I said, I can't find my eyeliner. I can't find my lip liner right now, and I have a really hard time doing my lips without my liner. I love this highlight on top of this foundation. Like, just looks so good. Okay, so after lips, we now will do liquid liner, and this will be interesting because we already have on the false lashes, and it is just really hard to do anything on your eyes with your lashes already on. So lately I have been doing a winged liner like almost daily. So I guess today I'm going to attempt to do a wing. Okay, so that will have to do. It's like, I don't know how much you guys can tell, but on my eyelid, the line is pretty freaking thick. And the wing's not that big because I'm scared, so. This wing is a little bit longer and a little bit better, but still like hella thick. Not mad at it. Like I said, I'm not asking questions. I'm just doing what the alphabet tells me to do. So after liquid liner comes powder. So I'm going to take my Morphe Filter Effect in Filter 2. And I guess I'm going to powder my whole face and hope that it doesn't cover up this beautiful highlight. It just tones it down a little bit. Okay. My face looks so like flat other than the fact of my highlight. Like, so weird. Okay, so after powder comes primer. Now we get to put on primer. So using my No Pore Bloom primer from Touch and Soul, I am going to ruin this whole thing even more than it already is. And I'm just going to tap it in. It's kind of like, I don't know if it's because my hands are cold, but it kind of feels like it's hydrating my face right now. Okay, so after primer, we set concealer. You guys, I forgot to put on concealer. And that was supposed to be, in the beginning, it was supposed to be between concealing my brows and my contour. I'm sorry, I failed you all, because there's no really going back. However, what I can do is I can set the concealer, because it was supposed to go on top of powder, because I was already supposed to have, I had bake right there. I was baking, so it was supposed to go on top of the bake. So what I can do is I can set the concealer so that I'm not doing it like in the correct order, you know? I can set the concealer and then I can put concealer on top of that. That'll work, right? Beautiful. And then I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in 16N Fair Light Neutral. And I am just going to conceal. This feels weird. Not even gonna lie. Feels really fucking weird. So we'll just do that. Oh wait, I also put it, this is, see, I messed up because this look was actually starting to look a little bit good, but I forgot the concealer. So this is where this look really goes downhill, because I also put concealer right here. Right here. So I'm just going to have a few like really shiny areas on my face, I guess. So Where is, and then I'm just going to attempt to blend this all out. Oh my god, it's like really hard to blend because there's so much powder on my face right now. There goes my pretty highlight. Okay. So after that, which we were at setting the concealer, now we are going to use setting spray. So I'm going to use my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. The last and final step is top mascara. So this is going to be weird, like really weird. This is why I used my Ardell lashes and not my Lily lashes. Okay, so that was the last and final step to this challenge. It's not a total miss. I really don't think this is a total miss. Like the eyes really don't look that bad at all. Like the eyeliner is questionable, but like it's really not bad. Other than that, the face sucks. What is this? Thank you to Nikki Tutorials, James Charles, and Nicole Concilio for giving me inspiration for this video today. I will link all of their videos in the description box down below if you want to check them out. Also, if you haven't watched my video from last week, it is me recreating my high school makeup. So I will link that at the end of this video. So it's just one click and you're there if you do want to check it out. Other than that, thank you so much for coming back to my channel today and for watching this video. Please like and share with your friends. Please subscribe to my channel as well. At the end of this video, there will be a little circle with my face in it. If you just click on that, you will be subscribed. It's as easy as that, so please do. If you want to follow me on any of my social media, my Instagram and my Twitter is your girl M with 2 M's and an underscore afterwards, and what is it? My Snapchat is EmilySavannah95. So feel free to follow me on any social media. Other than that, I will see you guys next week. Maybe later this week, because I did order the Jeffree Star Blue Blood or Blue Blooded, which, sorry, I cannot remember for the life of me which one it is, but I did order that palette. So hopefully, maybe I'll see you guys this week with a review on it. Either way, thank you guys, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.